What's up, Amazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be talking about my all-time favorite face moisturizers. And yes, this is what I decided to wear to talk to you about skincare. Can you tell that I have not gone out in a long time if this is what I chose to wear filming the video? I put these earrings on and I'm like, is this too much? I'm like, absolutely. So then I started looking for other earrings and I'm like, no, you know what? I'm just gonna be super extra today. So I do have dry skin, but I will tell you which moisturizers I feel would work for both dry and oily and normal or combo skin. It's kind of funny, well, not kind of funny, made me mad at the time, but I'm an only child. My mom's probably gonna watch this, so Mom, you already know the story, don't be mad. I'm an only child, so sometimes my mom sees me as an extension of her and not my own person. Like, she'll assume that I'm gonna like something just because she likes it, or I'm gonna possess a trait just because she has it. And I remember specifically I was doing a Glam Glow exfoliating mask, and I'm like, hey Mom, you should try this. I'm like, this is an exfoliating mask, you know, it helps get rid of any you know, dry, dead skin, which I need because I have dry skin. She legit started laughing. I'm like, what? She's like, you don't have dry skin. I'm like, yeah, I do. Like, why would I lie about that? Like, I don't see the benefit of saying I have dry skin and buying products for dry skin. And she's like, no, you have normal skin. I have normal skin. I'm like, I also have hypothyroidism, which makes your skin very dry and brittle. And I don't think she believed me until one day, like, I was so bad, like, I had, like, clumps of skin coming off. I'm like, do you believe me now? Okay, so anyways, let's just get right into the moisturizers. So I'm going to do my best at ranking them, but I probably should have done that before I filmed the video. So it's a little too late now. Sorry, I've been working. Alright, so I think I have 10, so 5, 6, 7, 8. I swore that I was gonna. Okay, so this is number 9. So this is the Dr. Brandt's Ruby Crystal Glow Ruby Crystal Retinol Hydro Cream with Light Transforming Skin Illuminators. So this is fairly new to me. I got it in a BoxyCharm pop-up, but I was like, oh my gosh, a moisturizer with retinol in it. Like, you don't see that very often unless it's a nighttime moisturizer. Plus, I liked that it said Light Transforming Skin Illuminators. So I got this, and this is something that I think will work for all skin types. And my only complaint about it would be I wish it would be more hydrating, but then I understand that that's asking from a lot because it's a moisturizer with retinol in it, so it's really not going to be moisturizing because of the retinol. But I do think for having retinol in it, it is moisturizing and it is illuminating, which I think is awesome. Alright, next is this Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. So this, it legit feels like whipped cream. Like, it feels like a souffle. It is super, super, super moisturizing. It's not super heavy because it does have more of like a whipped formula. I think if you have dry skin, you will love it. Are you kidding me? I think if you have oily skin, you might just need to try it first. I don't think you would hate it though. I don't smell anything. All right. Next, I mean, I'm pretty sure this is a moisturizer, and I use this as a primer sometimes, or both, but this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So I just love the way this makes your skin look. It has kind of an odd smell. I don't really know how to describe it. If you have a way to describe it, please let me know in the comments. But it doesn't seem like much, and it's not super hydrating. So, I mean, it is, but I'm saying that because I think it will work for all skin types. But it just gives your skin this like hydrated glow afterwards, and it works as a primer too. So, yes, that's a really good choice. All right, so that was 7. 6 is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. I actually had a full size of this, but then I just kept getting samples, so I just keep using samples. I think people who have really dry skin are gonna enjoy this the most. It's a very thick, creamy moisturizer, but it's not greasy and it absorbs quickly. It doesn't have a scent that I can smell. It's a really, really, really good moisturizer. So 5 is this L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion. This is actually my second bottle. You know, the first bottle I had, I swear it was different, but this says that it's in light glow. But I swear this is like a dupe for Strobe Cream by MAC. It's not as hydrating as the Strobe Cream, but everything else, I swear, and it's an exact dupe. All right. So 4 is the Sunday Riley CEO Cream. This is another product that I also had a full size of, and it's not cheap, so I'm just using samples. But it's just so moisturizing, and like I just felt like my skin looked and felt better when I used it. And it will definitely, I don't want to say definitely, but I'm pretty sure it will work for all skin types. Number 3 is the MAC Strobe Cream. And I've also had a full bottle of this, but you know, oh my gosh, that was way too much. Oh, I hate wasting it. But I have been using this for years, and like no matter how many new products come out, like it's just a staple like in my makeup collection and my skincare routine. Like, look at that glow. And I love the scent, even though it's like weird. I just love it. I don't know why. All right, number 2. Oh, it was okay, I'm changing. Oh, all right, number 2 is my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. This is a very affordable moisturizer that you will adore if you have really dry skin. This just gives you so much moisture, like my skin just soaks it up, and it's just, oh, so creamy, and it's amazing for dry skin. Like another one I've been using for years. I've been using all of these for years except for this one, and this one maybe a year, maybe 2. But yeah, I highly recommend this. And then my number 1, which I of course also highly recommend, and this is literally empty. I was just saving the container for this video. But this is the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. This is like my third container, I think. I swear, I don't know how, but this moisturizer makes you look better. It says Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. I swear, it makes your skin look better. I also think that this will work for all skin types. It's very hydrating, but it's not super thick and super creamy. It's, you know, just right in the middle. So I think everyone could really, really love this. All right, so those are my favorite moisturizers. Let me know what your favorite moisturizer is down in the comments below. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.